Hi all, welcome to Tribe Genie. This video is for managers. Once the manager have logged in to the app, immediately they will see the employee screen, the green screen. This is available because even the manager as an employee, he can mark his attendance or claim his expense or apply for leave, etc. So that's why. However, if a manager needs to track the attendance and GPS of all his employees, he needs to go into the admin feature. So there's a button at the top right corner, admin. So manager has to click on that. So this button is not available for the employees, it is only available for the managers. So now the manager has logged into the admin features or the manager features. Okay, so this is the blue screen. Okay, now let's just see the features one by one. Let's see the attendance first. A manager can see the list of his reportees or employees under him over here, and on this particular date today, so he can see the attendance of each and every employee. Let's see the attendance of Srinivas Krishnan. Okay, so Srinivas Krishnan has checked in at so and so time at so and so location. Likewise, he can track the attendance for all of his employees. And manager, if he needs a report, he can just click on this plus button and get a daily report over here actually. Likewise, he can see the attendance details of any previous date as well. Next is GPS features. So manager can track his field employees. So right now these are the two field employees available for the manager. Okay, he can just click on any one employee and see the current trip of that particular employee. You can see Srinivas Krishnan is currently at this particular location. So as and when Srinivas Krishnan, the employee, continues his trip, manager can remotely monitor his trip. Likewise, manager can see the previous trips of this particular employee. Okay, so over here there's a red button for Ram Charan. That's because that particular trip got over, and green button for Srinivas Krishnan. That's because the trip is currently underway for this particular employee. And if you wanted to know who are all the employees have not started their trip yet, you just have to click the no show. So these are the employees of who have not started the trip. Okay, as well you can get the various reports from here. Now we will see the task feature. As a manager, you can create a task and assign it to your employees. Let's see that. Okay, so just click on the plus button, create a task, select the task type, service, task name, task description, the priority. You can assign it to any one of the employees. And then due date, you can assign the due date as well. And then you can create the task. Immediately after creating the task, that particular employee will get a notification in his mobile. Okay, and as an employee you can see the progress of all the tasks. What are the tasks on hold, what are the tasks on resolved, what are the tasks on closed, like that actually. Okay, then let's just see the expense feature. As a manager, you can review the expenses of all your employees and then either approve or reject. So over here you can either approve by clicking the right side tick button, or reject by clicking the left side into button. I'm just approving over here. Okay, so the expenses got approved. As a manager, you can approve or reject the employees' leaves. Okay, so this is available on the dashboard, the last option, the one before option, manage leaves. Just select any one of the employee and you can see all the leave details, and then either you can approve or reject it. I'm just rejecting this particular leave. Okay, at times a manager has to send the circular to all his employees, right? So here you can just send the circular to all your employees. So this particular option is available at the top, the bell button. Okay. Okay. So these are all some of the critical manager functions available in the app. And if you need any support, you can just click on the help button over there.